Hey guys, it's Dan's Review and I'm back and I'm here to open a 14 packs with Infinite Forbidden. So let me see what I pull. Hopefully it's something good like the last time. So we're looking for Engraver, right? So Jason, you pull this one. Alright, so Jason, you say this is the one you pick. So let me see if Jason pack is the one. So let me see what Jason give me. Jason!
Oh my god! What is special in the face?
And I see I need one. Thank you, Jason.
Holy crap!
I pull one and I see I pull one this week, so I'm fucking happy. Yeah, that mean it. I feel like I went to
You need to respond as a fan.
I even fucking what?
You didn't
I pull is actually good too. Thank you.
Christ, that will be good.
So my wishes come true. I say I hope the first pack we pull is good. So he won, right? So let me see what he give. Oh my fuck! Nah! I want all it to be my videos forever recording though. Nah!
Make contact with him. Tag with him.
I'm fucking happy though. The first two pack, wasn't two pack though.
Tag with him.
QCR. What's them two fucking packs though?
Call my name, Daniel. Make sure you call my name.
Nah, this is that one.
You want money for that car?
No, two packs though. And I put one last week with one pack.
I'm here to
yeah. I had to play this deck. I had to play this fucking deck though.
This is 2000.
I ain't give a fuck. I play any card.
Yeah, hey, we do it job. That's all about.
Yeah, I real fucking happy dog. I real fucking happy. I happy like shit.
You even care what you got again?
I really don't
care.
care.
I'll go buy that for me.
I really fucking care at this point, huh? I real fucking happy. Dog, I real fucking happy, dog. I happy.
Dad, look here, we put it in the basket.
I real fucking happy. I
don't cry when I go home play.
Nah, this is the best pack open. Nah, three. I put one pack and you put the two packs, dog.
Put the two packs and I two packs.
Yeah, I say, let you pick it.
I pick the pack and put them aside.
I had to give you a hug, dog. I really had to give you a hug.
Don't have mercy.
Boy. What? I'm probably the most excited I ever fucking.
I see your hand tremble and stuff.
Nah, I'm telling you, I'm really excited with that. Usually I pull real trash in my pack. I know, let's see my pack before though. Usually I pull trash. Like trash galore.
You had to play this deck now. You don't know where you're coming.
By playing that, so a hat trick. I hope so, but I don't.
And it's because Harry refused to take it back.
Yes.
Take Harry
Yes.
Alright.
That was meant for me. I'll put any video right here.
Yeah, that's your pull on next one.
I don't see one I want already.
No, that made me blue thing. I think Fish asked me for that already.
Because I saw buying symbols.
Nah, I pack some.
Hey, look that paleo thing. I need
That
that.
card real good, man. That card real good.
I need that.
Daniel is Daniel just...
He don't need what
You're in heaven. You're in heaven right
I
You know me real nice?
I even. Alright, so I crash.
He pulled the...
Any more angry by selling me, eh?
I don't know if you put next engraver, I don't get
What's my view?
I had three, I really need to. I really had to pull nothing. Right now the commons I'm looking for, so I'm happy. I just need to pull the super Fiendsmith.
See, that's my pull the link. My pull the link.
See, I tell you, I just need to pull the super
Why the
one.
deck want to play it?
Yeah, this deck is for me. This point's for me.
No, be real nice. You pull out 2 engraver for no reason.
That's a profit.
I want pull the
And next
link.
QCR.
I want pull the link.
I happy dog. I real happy. I real happy there. Like, I real happy.
What do you feel? Tears, fellas.
But thanks, Jason. Thanks, camera. Thanks, Ronaldo. Yeah.